Some breaking news now coming in from Patna, where BJP working president Nitin Nabin arrived for the first time after taking charge as the working president, and he used the opportunity to hit out at Rahul Gandhi and Tejashwi Yadav, calling them part-time politicians. He was extremely critical of Rahul Gandhi leaving in the middle of the winter session of Parliament. He says, we don't do this part-time politics. Listen into what he said.
कोई बहुत लोग ऐसे हैं जो पार्ट टाइम पॉलिटिक्स करते हैं, राहुल गांधी टाइप, जो आधा समय बिहार में जब आते हैं या देश में आते हैं तो केवल एक देश की बात थोड़ा मोड़ा करके फिर विदेश चल जाते हैं। इस पार्ट टाइम पॉलिटिशियन से नहीं बनना है। हम लोग फुल टाइम पॉलिटिशियन हैं। हम भाजपा के कार्यकर्ता 24 घंटा काम करते हैं, 24/7 काम करते हैं।
All right, Nitin Nabin there arriving in Patna. He held a roadshow as well, and also, as you just saw there, used the opportunity to attack Rahul Gandhi and Tejashwi Yadav, while keeping an eye on Nitin Nabin and all these developments is Prabhakar. So let's go across to Prabhakar now for more. And Prabhakar, there was a roadshow as well. This was the first time Nitin Nabin came back to Patna after assuming charge as working president, and of course using the opportunity to hit out at Tejashwi Yadav and Rahul Gandhi.
Yeah, he took a dig at Rahul Gandhi and Tejashwi Yadav, calling them a part-time politician, and the way Rahul Gandhi actually left for Germany when the parliament session was on, and similarly Tejashwi Yadav from here when the assembly session was, he actually went on a foreign tour along with his wife. So he certainly took a dig at it. And today happens to be Nitin Nabin's day. For the first time after assuming charge of the working president, national president of BJP, he came to Patna. This is his constituency. This is the Bankipur constituency. And if I could just show you behind me is where his public felicitation happened. The entire rank and file of Bihar BJP leaders, they were all present here, and there was a massive road show which continued for around 3 hours, and the entire Patna has been actually painted saffron, I would say, because you can see the welcome gates, the flags, the BJP flags, they're all erected all over the place. So it was a massive, you can call it Nitin's day today, because he came back. He's a Patna boy. He's born and brought up in Patna. His father was a politician, and then for the last 5 terms he has been representing this particular constituency, that's the Bankipur constituency, which is the urban center of Patna, as a MLA, and also he has been minister twice in the Nitish's cabinet. So, but now after...
All right, Prabhakar, sorry to interrupt you there. We also have on the phone line with us, we're joined by Mrityunjay Tiwari of the RJD joining us on the phone line. So your response to what Nitin Nabin said, he criticized Rahul Gandhi, he also criticized Tejashwi Yadav by saying there is a leader who leaves in the middle of the assembly and goes abroad.
देखिए, श्री नितिन नवीन जी अभी नए बीजेपी के राष्ट्रीय कार्यकारी अध्यक्ष बने हैं, तो हम समझ सकते हैं उनमें जोश है, उत्साह है, और इसी जोश और अति उत्साह में वो अपने कार्यकर्ताओं को संबोधित करते हुए श्री राहुल गांधी जी और श्री तेजस्वी यादव जी के बारे में बोल रहे हैं। बीजेपी को बिहार में 3 दशकों से ज्यादा हो गए, अभी तक बीजेपी को अपना मुख्यमंत्री बीजेपी की सरकार नहीं बन पाई है। उस पर ध्यान देना चाहिए बीजेपी को मजबूत करने के लिए। कौन पार्ट टाइम पॉलिटिशियन है, कौन फुल टाइम है, ये जनता तय करती है। ठीक है, आज जो है वो गठबंधन में सरकार बना लिए, उनको 202 संख्या मिला है, चुनाव में जीत मिली है, लेकिन राष्ट्रीय जनता दल का जो वोट प्रतिशत है, जितने लोगों ने वोट दिया है, वो सबसे ज्यादा है। तो लोकतंत्र में संख्या कम ज्यादा होती रहती है, सरकारें आती हैं जाती हैं, लेकिन किसी राज्य का, किसी देश का कैसे भलाई हो, इसके लिए सोचना चाहिए।
All right, thank you so much, Mrityunjay Tiwari there, questioning the BJP, saying they should worry about, having a chief minister from their party in Bihar rather than attacking the opposition. But we're also joined by Congress leader Rashid Alvi on the phone line with us. Sir, Nitin Nabin, the working president of the BJP, has attacked Rahul Gandhi for going abroad during the parliament session, saying that he is a part-time politician. And this is an issue that is coming up again and again, even with your own allies.
Rahul Gandhi definitely he is in Germany these days, but Bharatiya Janata Party. I do not know exactly his name, I am sorry, because he is newly appointed and he was working in Bihar, now he is the working president. Whatever, with due respect to him, I want to ask him, our Prime Minister had visited 100 countries, and what our country has got benefit out of his so many visits? America, he had gone more than 10 times. China, he had gone more than 6 times. In Arab world, in most of the countries, he had gone 10 times. About his own Prime Minister. What our country has got out of it?
Right.
That President Trump is against us. Rahul Gandhi is against us.
All right, sir, we seem to be having a problem in that line with you. But yes, so you're questioning the Prime Minister's foreign visit, saying he's visited. He's gone on over 100 foreign trips. The Congress time and again asked about how Rahul Gandhi missed the last 5 days of the winter session of Parliament. Nitin Nabin, the working president of the BJP, attacking Rahul Gandhi over the same.